Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. In this episode, I'm going to show you what I'm going to try using, experiment with as a weed blocker. I got this holly tree behind me, pruned it, uh, been pruning it and stuff, put the black weed blocker down, lets water come through it. And I mean, this whole holly tree, the little stubs, and I'll show you what I'm dealing with, just pop up through it as quick as I'm pruning. So got this idea that I'm going to try using this old tin, laying it down. This is not the way it's going to look. I just got the bricks to weight it down for right now. But my plan is I'm going to put bricks all around it, kind of decorative, fill it in with mulch or just regular leaves. And then that way I don't keep getting these new shoots popping up. And I'll show you what I'm dealing with. And then I'll show you as I go what it looks like. And then the actual finished product with the tin, trimming it around and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'll show you what I got so far. Okay, this is what I've been dealing with. See all these little shoots coming up? I don't know if you can see it in comparison, but all these little ones right here, they just bust through the black plastic that I have down under it. So this is what I'm doing. You can see I got the tin down, and I'm going to take it on around here and see all these shoots and everything. So I'm going to start laying some more down, and I'll show you what it looks like as I go. All right, here we go. I just want to show you where I'm at now. There again, all of these bricks and everything, they're just temporary. And I'll pull them up, and I'm probably going to run some screws, just a few of them, just to hold it down, because I'm going to use these bricks as my border. I'm going to probably round this off, as you can see. I got to put one more little piece up right here. Okay, I want to show you another step. I added a little piece. I'm going to do kind of an awkward line, but I did go ahead and run a few screws in. You can see how I got it up next to the tree. But and what's cool about adding the screws, let's just say you want to do a little area weed block with the old tin, you can just move it around. I mean, this is a little much to move around, but I want to show you that. And I'll be back when I actually got the tin cut. I'm going to do this, it'll be more of a circle. You can tell I couldn't draw a very good circle, but all right, I'll show you. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I just wanted to show you the finished product. I put some bricks around it. Didn't fill it up with leaves. Wife says just leave it the way it is and let nature do its thing. But you could put mulch in it, leaves, whatever you want. Leave it like this, like the wife said. Leave it natural. Put bricks, don't put bricks. I'm not a tree person, so I don't know if this is the right thing, but I tell you what, if the shoots come through this, it's just meant to be. All right, well, have a good day, and please hit that subscribe button, like, and share. Help me out, and have a good day.